See, as of now, the last version of Java is JDK 10, but as of now, no one is using JDK 9 and 9 or JDK 10. So you can go and download JDK 8 only. So that should be
JDK
good
8.
to
Okay.
JDK 8. So just 1 second. I'll just share the link with you so that it will play. Yeah, here it is. So if I just share the screen with you, sorry, the link with you. I ping the link. Got the link?
Okay.
So in this link, see, there is one, depending on your system, if it is Windows 32, system 32 2-bit, then you have to install this thing. And if it is 64-bit, then you have to install this thing. That is the JDK thing.
The
You have to
first
install
link
it.
is for 32-bit.
Hmm?
The first link is for 32-bit.
Yeah, first is for, yeah, this Windows x86 is for 32-bit. And are you using Windows or Mac or anything else? You're using Windows only, right?
Yeah, I'm using
Yeah.
Windows.
Okay, then for 32-bit, that is Windows x86, and for 64-bit, it is x64.
Okay. Okay.
And you can see the, I mean, it is 32-bit or 64-bit from here, I guess. From 1 second. If you go to your my computer, and there is somehow it should be showing. Yeah, I see. In my system, it's showing 64-bit operating system.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can see yours is 32-bit or 64. Depending on that thing, you have to download that one.
Yes.
Okay. And after that, after downloading it, you need to download Eclipse.
Okay.
Okay. So this Eclipse, this Eclipse, I'll show my what is the version I'm using now. This is Luna, Luna, Luna. So I'll just show you this download link also to you. Eclipse Luna download. This is the link for 64-bit. Or I'll just give you the parent link, then it should be fine. Okay. So from here you have to download the same thing depending on 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay. You
Okay.
so after this class today, you try to download these things, or maybe tomorrow from your time. So you download this JDK and Eclipse so that
I have downloaded Eclipse long back. Maybe what I have is Oxygen.
yeah, that is also fine then.
That's fine, right?
Yeah, that's fine. So
If I have,
is it
okay.
is it running properly?
Yeah, I'm just opening.
Yeah, just open once so that you can. You can use any version of Eclipse.
Okay. I guess this my system is a bit slow and it's taking much time to open.
Okay, so you can try afterwards. Not an issue.
Oh,
So and because yeah,
okay.
so see, as of now, I think Eclipse 14 is the latest one, but you can go for any Eclipse because in this system I have installed another thing, and in my own system that is another Eclipse is installed. So not an issue. You can go with any Eclipse. Maybe for some doing something, but for normal Java, you don't need any other plugin. Okay, so
Okay.
you can go with any Eclipse, not an issue. But
Okay.
download the JDK. So after downloading JDK, you can search in the net like how to set. I'll show you. So depending on because sometimes you have to work in Eclipse, and sometimes if you don't want to use Eclipse, that can be also done. So something has to be done in the system properties.
What? Why should we do? I
Yeah.
just missed what you said.
Suppose I'm saying that Eclipse is a IDE. IDE means it will
Yeah.
give you support to write the code in Java, and it will give you built-in support for JDK thing, like it will automatically set the path on its own. But
Okay.
suppose uh, as you are starting Java from the start, I mean from the very basic level, you can
Yeah.
uh, you can write code. I mean, you should try basically. So you should try
Okay.
writing code without Eclipse. You will write the
Okay.
code in Notepad and
Okay.
compile them and run it. So for that you need to
Okay.
set some path and everything. But that you can try afterwards also. But I'll just say show you the link and give you the link so that you
Sure.
can at least set it.
Okay.
Mm, Here it is not there. 1 second. Let me show in my system only better. See here. You have to go to properties from this same screen. And are you using Windows 10 or any other Windows?
Um.
Because in XP the path is somewhat different. It will show something different.
Oh, I'll just. I'm using Windows 7.
Windows 7. So maybe somewhere you will get this kind of thing. So 1 second. 1 second. Yeah, this thing, system properties.
Okay.
So from there you need to go to this environment variables.
Okay.
And here in this user variable you need to add to this. As of now I'm not added those things in my system because I'm not using normal things to write code. I'm using only Eclipse, so I don't need those things. So here I need to
Okay.
add two things. Like one is first thing is called Java underscore
Java underscore home. Okay.
home, and you
Cap. Is it?
it should
Okay.
be it should be in
Everything in
caps.
cap.
Everything
Okay.
in caps. Or let me just I'll just show you, and I'll just share the link as well to you. So and here you have to give the variable value to the path for where is my Java up to this. So it should be like this.
Okay.
Got it?
So, mm In C drive, wherever I have my Eclipse folder, I should choose that path and paste
Not
that.
not Eclipse folder. After you install Java, JDK,
JDK, JDK. Okay.
JDK. Up to that bin you have to give
Okay.
up to this part. See, you'll see something like that in here, and you have to give the path. And same thing, another thing you will see, after adding the Java underscore home, you'll see another
Mm-hmm.
thing called path. In this
Mm-hmm.
path, you have to add another thing after that. See, here I've added something called Java underscore home slash bin. So this thing has to be added.
Okay.
That
And
means it will fetch up to Java home everything. After that slash bin,
okay. And path also should be changed like this.
like this. So if I just let me give you the link. Yours is Windows 7, right?
Yeah, Windows 7.
Let me search that thing only. Yeah, that should be better. See, yeah, everything is there. My computer, select properties and advanced. Like this, you have to go.
Okay.
Let me share this link to you. See, this is the thing. I did this first thing because I told you to install JDK.
Hmm.
So that is the thing. That's it. And after that, you have to add the path like this thing. That is not here, but I'll just ping you and tell. Where is your chat box? Yeah, that is the link. And apart from this, in the path, add. Let me give that thing to you. This thing.
Okay.
You try this thing. If you have any issues, then you can tell me. I will help you on that.
Okay.
And after doing these things, if you go to your Windows command prompt, you
Mm-hmm.
just search, you just type Java version. It will give the version which is installed in a system. Okay, mine is updated
Okay.
to 10 also. So you don't need 10 as of now. 8 is fine with you.
Okay.
Okay. So this thing will has to be there. So after everything, so if your class path settings and this Java underscore home and path setting is proper, then if you write this command in command prompt, it should show
Mm-hmm.
the version.
It should show the version. Okay.
Yeah. If it is not showing, then something is wrong. If it is showing properly, then everything is you are set with Java.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so whatever the links I've given you, try installing Java and Eclipse with those things. It should be good.
Sure.
You will mainly write the code in Eclipse only, but for your own sake, try to write code once or twice using normal Notepad.
On Notepad. Okay.
Notepad, because Notepad means you will be see in Eclipse. Suppose you have to write a simple class, you can write main, and everything will be automatically done, generated, kind of thing. But so
Okay.
you not learn the syntax properly. So if you write coding somewhat in Notepad, then you'll be able to understand everything.
Okay.
But once you go forward, you have to go with Eclipse only, because if you write in Notepad, it will be very much time taking, because everything you have to type on your own.
Hmm. Yeah.
So as of now, we always use Eclipse. Never use Notepad, but for starting, that should be good at least once or twice.
Okay. And after writing in Notepad, like where do we run this on?
Yes,
Open up page in Eclipse and run there.
yeah, I'll just